Hey there! Thinking about investing but don't know where to start? You're in the right place! In this video, I'll guide you through the basics of investing and how to take your first steps toward building wealth. Let's dive in. First off, understand the importance of investing. Investing helps grow your money over time, protects it from inflation, and helps achieve financial goals like retirement or buying a home. Next, define your financial goals. Ask yourself, what are you investing for? Short-term gains, long-term wealth, or both? Knowing your goals helps you choose the right investments. Now, familiarize yourself with different types of investments. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate are popular options, each with its own risk and reward. Don't worry, you don't need to know everything right away. Step 4. Start small. Index funds and ETFs are great for beginners because they're diversified and low cost. They give you a piece of the market without having to pick individual stocks. Next, open a brokerage account or a retirement account like a 401k or IRA. Choose a platform that suits your needs and offers low fees. There are plenty of online options that make it super easy. Understand the importance of diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments to reduce risk. This way, if one investment doesn't do well, others can help cover the losses. Finally, invest regularly, even if it's a small amount. Consistency is key to growing your wealth over time. Set up automatic contributions to make it a habit. Starting your investment journey might feel overwhelming, but these simple steps can help you take control of your financial future. Subscribe for more tips and start building your wealth today. Thanks for watching.